So now that we've had a chance to share documents with each other, I want to show you how to access documents that have been shared with you and how to move them so you can keep them organized within your drive. So over on the left is My Drive, where you'll see all the folders that you've created and have been working with. And then you'll see a section called Shared with Me. So when you click into that, what you'll see are documents that have been shared with you. So I have 3 different documents to kind of show you what it would look like if you sent a document with different settings. So the first one I want to show you is if it was sent with the view only settings. So when I open this document, because it's been shared with me only as a view only, I can't comment, I can't change it. It's very similar to a PDF. I can read it and I could print it or download it, but I can't do anything else with the document. So that's what it would look like if you sent something as view only. If you sent it as comment, what you are able to do is access the document and add comments. So the best way to do this is reading through the document if there's a spot that you wanted to add a comment. So this is a curriculum document. Let's say I want to put a comment saying I have an activity about summarizing the text. I'll highlight the spot that I want to add the comment and click comments. So then what I want to do is click add a comment, and what it's doing is it's connecting it to this specific part of the document. So I can add a comment saying I have a great activity for this topic and click comment. A lot of times people use this for questions or for maybe issues with something. So if I had a question and someone commented back to me and we solved the issue, I can click the resolve button and the comments will go away and I won't need to worry about them. What's going to happen is if someone else is looking at this document with me, they'll see my comments and see that I have an activity for this, so they don't need to plan one. You're going to have a chance to comment and work on that with a document that I've shared with you, the Google Docs PD PowerPoint. You'll have a chance to add some comments and practice doing that yourself as well. The other way to share a document is being able to edit it. So this is pretty much sharing a document like you would send it in an email as an attachment. They can access it and they can click into it, edit it, make whatever changes they need to make, just like you're able to do on the document on your end. Now, the great thing about this is shared documents are always the most updated version. So like with the Google Docs PowerPoint that I've sent out to you, I sent it out to you before I completed it. But when you're looking at it today, you'll see the completed version because you are always seeing the most up-to-date version. So if you're working on something with your teammates and you are all able to edit the document, if someone is working on it, you don't have to resend it back and forth. When you click into it, you're automatically seeing the most up-to-date version. So now I want to show you how to move these documents into your drive to keep them organized and where you want to access them. So I want to have the editable document and I would like to move it into my Unit 1 section because it's Unit 1 curriculum. So what I'm going to do is check the document, click More, and Move to, just like we did before with uploaded documents. I'll click 4th grade, 2014-2015, curriculum, ELA, and Unit 1 is where I would like it to be, and I will click Move. Now the only difference is that with shared documents, it doesn't just move the document, it makes a second copy of it. So if I go into 4th grade, 2014-2015, curriculum, ELA, Unit 1, that shared document is here where I want it to be. But I also have a copy of it in my shared with me. So once you've moved a document, you might want to delete it from your shared with me. Otherwise, this can get very built up and backed up with lots of extra documents. So I can click each individual document, or I can click this top box to select all and then click remove because I don't want to have them in my shared anymore. So now we're going to have a chance to move some of the documents that have been shared with us and practice deleting them and getting them rid of our shared section once we've moved them into our drive.